My parents, being dentists, didn't treat my crooked teeth until last year.
Hold on there. So this is Dev, my son, who is in the 10th grade. So he always had this question of, you always kept telling me that your friends are asking, why didn't you get your teeth corrected, your parents being dentists. So first of all, dental treatments, that is for the braces or Invisalign, need not be at a very early age. So we waited for all the teeth to erupt and then we started the treatment when you were in 9th grade, midway through 9th grade. So you didn't had any bone deformity. That is, if you had had any skeletal deformity, then we would have started your treatment much earlier. But then you had only crooked teeth that needed only teeth alignment. So that is why we treated at a later stage. Got it?
Why didn't you put braces for me instead of Invisalign?
Okay, so for you, we had a choice of either braces or Invisalign. But then why didn't we choose braces? Is because you are in a boarding school. One, so we didn't have the privilege of meeting monthly once for treatments. So if it was aligners, you will be able to manage on your own. One, you need not come for frequent checkups. So that is why we opted for aligners.
So there are a lot of ads for many aligners, but why did you opt Invisalign for?
So you know that in our practice we do only the best aligners. That is, we have only two brands. That is, one is Invisalign. Then we recommend flash aligners. So in Invisalign we had the privilege of choosing the teen pack. So you being a teenager, so we thought this would be a better option.
So you gave my friend Ashwath 25 aligners, but why did I alone get only 14 aligners?
Okay. So for your malocclusion, the minimum package was enough. That is, there are 3 different packages in Invisalign. That means mild, moderate and comprehensive. So for people having mild malocclusion, that is only some teeth being crooked, then we go in for mild package which has 14 aligners, a pack of 14 aligners. The next is the moderate, which is a pack of 26 aligners, and next is the comprehensive, which is more than 26. So depending upon how your malocclusion is, we decide the package. So for you, only 14 aligners was needed, so we gave the 14 package. So that is called as the mild pack. So you have many of your friends wearing braces. You have seen many of your friends wearing braces, and you are wearing Invisalign in the boarding school. So what are the advantages you found, and what are the disadvantages?
So the advantages I have by using Invisalign is I can eat whatever I want just by removing the Invisalign. But the disadvantages of the Invisalign are you have to have good maintenance.
Okay, so you're doing that, right? So I would tell that as a disadvantage, right? Maintenance is you will have to maintain. They're giving you something and you will have to maintain it properly. Okay. So Dev, did you have any discomfort or pain while wearing the aligners?
Just that you feel pain the first 3 days of wearing every set.
Okay.
And you need to change the sets every 10 days. So when you change the sets, when you change to a new set, you feel the pain for the first 3 days.
So after that, it is okay.
Yeah, after that you'll get used to it.
So now you're very comfortable wearing it, right? So you wear you wear almost 22 hours per day. So only while eating you remove it, right? Okay. So do you have any difficulty talking or doing a normal activities when you wear Invisalign?
No, actually I am wearing Invisalign now when I'm talking to you. It's pretty comfortable.
Okay. So you are wearing it every day in school also you're wearing it. So it's very, very comfortable, right? Okay. So this is the advantage of Invisalign over braces. But for some, we choose braces. For some, we choose Invisalign. So the difference is depending on what type of tooth movement is needed and the convenience of the patient. Like for you, if it is you're studying in a boarding school, so we chose Invisalign. So for some, we would need arch extension like your friend Ritvik. So for him, we chose braces. So for each patient, the treatment plan is different. So we choose the braces or aligners depending on what they need.
Yes, it's true. So most of my friends don't have wearing Invisalign, and it's very comfortable while playing sports and while eating snacks. I can just see the movement.
Okay, nice. Yeah. So Dev, do you remember one incident once we had to run behind the cleaner to get the Invisalign?
Yes, mom. So I just forgot the Invisalign case and I just wrapped in a tissue. But the waiter cleaned it out and we had to chase behind the waiter.
Right. So yes, this is the most common mistakes what patients do. That is not carrying the case along. So I've always told you after that, be very careful to carry the case. So that is why I've always been telling these 3 things that you shouldn't be doing. Remember? So one is always keeping it in your case, keeping the aligners in your case. So not keeping the aligners directly inside your pocket, and sometimes if you sit, it might break. 2, the cleaner might actually think it is a tissue paper and clean it off. Yes. So another one thing, most common mistake is keeping the aligners in front of pets. Directly keeping it in the pets might damage it. Yes. So these are the most common mistakes what patients do, and I keep repeatedly telling, and you did one.